हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ रविंद्र द्विवेदी। मैं आज आप लोगों के सामने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के बारे में बताऊंगा। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या होती है उसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है क्या? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एक्चुअली क्या है? एक एनर्जी है जो बहुत सारे चार्ज को या बहुत सारे मासेस को एक पास कलेक्ट करने के लिए जो रिक्वायर्ड होती है, जो एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू कलेक्ट all the masses together, all the charges together, that is called potential energy. If the particles are charged due to the force of interaction, this potential energy is called electrostatic potential energy. This is also called interaction energy. This potential energy is also called interaction energy. So what is the interaction energy between two charged particles? तो वहां पे हम ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि मान लेते हैं हमारे पास एक फिक्स चार्ज Q1 है और इस फिक्स चार्ज Q1 की रेंज में हम एक अनदर चार्ज Q2 लेके आएंगे फ्रॉम लार्ज डिस्टेंस। लार्ज डिस्टेंस मीन्स फ्रॉम इनफाइनाइट, फ्रॉम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस where there is no interaction between Q1 and Q2. At large distance, when Q2 is at a large distance with Q1, there is no interaction, so there is no energy. But when Q2 comes closer to Q1, the energy interaction increases. The interaction between Q1 and Q2 increases. It may be repulsive interaction or it may be attractive interaction. So while taking Q2 at a particular point P with respect to Q1, the energy, the work done required in this range is called potential energy of Q1 and Q2. So suppose when Q2 is at a distance x from Q1, the force acting is F, electrostatic force as F 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by x square. When it comes closer by amount dx, in this process the work done by external agent will be F external multiplied by dx, and F external will be here minus F field, because F field is acting in this direction and external force is acting in this direction, because a man has to move it towards Q1. So the work done by the external agent will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon h square multiplied by dx. So this is the W work done by external agent by taking a small amount by dx. Okay. So now integrating both sides, dW external is equal to minus k 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon x square dx integration. Putting the limit of x, when particle is at infinite, x will be free. When particle comes at point P, the new separation becomes R. We put the limit. So total work done is W external, and this W external is also is called interaction energy between Q1 and Q2. This is called the potential energy between Q1 and Q2. While solving this, we have 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 and this is minus 1 by x, and putting the limit infinity to R, the value will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. This is the interaction energy between Q1 and Q2. It is important to remember this while using this result. Put Q1 Q2 with sign. If Q1 is positive and Q2 is negative, put with sign. If both are positive, then no problem. While using this result, put Q1 Q2 with sign, and this is scalar quantity. The unit is joule. Okay, thank you.